sige na, pagbigyan niyo na sila. Sige, sabay-sabay. Kaya ka ba? Kilig. Everyone! Do you feel good? Siyempre naman, dahil yan si Sir Fabcon. Live performance of Blink Twice!
Naman yan. Yeah, so are you ready? Yeah. First time din ako mapanood yung Cory. Dahil nagustuhan nyo, may pa little something kami for tonight. Watch this.